Hey, what's going on, y'all? Update on the Tahoe. Starting over, unfortunately, as you can see. I don't know if I said it before. Um, Took it to the shop. I ain't gonna say what shop. No, my parents been going there for years. They left the car overnight, and I guess somebody was just walking by and saw what I had in here and peeled my lock. Took my radio. Um, Took my Q Logic kicks. I had some custom speaker parts, and that one they took that. They took the ones in the back, as you can see. So they took that, took my stuff, all my amps. The funny thing was, they left that. Something they didn't take. So, I got a radio. I pretty much got everything I need. I just need to get another 4-channel amp. For now, I'm just going back to stock because I'm tired of driving. That happened probably about 2 weeks ago. I'm tired of driving around with no radio. So I was gonna put a new radio in there, but I'm gonna go back to stock. I'm gonna go ahead and so if it won't happen again, I'm gonna go ahead and go to Best Buy or somewhere, get me a decent alarm. Like I said, it didn't happen here. It didn't happen here because, like I said, I had cars stolen, broken into, probably for the last 20 years. Back when the crack was killing. The crack was just, whew. Like, it was so bad. I had one partner that said, like, yeah, man, I left something on the hood of my car. They did some coming to America shit. Like, you turn your back and your shit gone. So, that's what I'm saying. Because, like, where I'm at right now, everybody's cool, calm, collected. It didn't happen at the house. It happened somewhere else. So, I told my girl, like I said, I went ahead and ordered everything I want to get. Because I was planning on redoing this stuff anyway. But sucks is because I had those Rockford mids. I'm still making payments on them. So anyway, like I said, I'm going back to stock. Like I said, they really took stuff that I wasn't feeling it anyway. So I'm like, I'm mad because they took it, but I'm not because like I said, it's like I said, I'm not pissed off because like I said before, my shit being broken into. Not this vehicle, but all my vehicles I had back in the 90s, early 2000s, broken into and or stolen. So I'm glad they didn't fuck my car up. Only thing they did is tore up my door lock. I'll show y'all that in a second. So if anybody knows on how to fix that problem so they won't nobody can, I kind of like to get some steel or some stainless steel or something to put like a little, put something over it so it won't happen again. So let me go ahead and put this radio back in. I gotta find my Bluetooth thingy. That's really gonna suck. Like I said, I got a radio ready to get put in, but I want to get the alarm put in first. So I'm gonna get the alarm. Might go ahead and tint these windows. Like I said, I'm gonna do some security, upgrade security, and then I'll go ahead and put my stuff back in. So, like I said, they just ripped this shit out. I said I was in the process of putting it back in when I. So let me go ahead and put this back on, and I'm gonna show y'all the damage they did to the door. All right, catch y'all later. Yeah, okay. This is what they end up doing is probably sticking a screwdriver flathead and just broke the plastic, and that's how they got in. Think about finding some probably throw some JB well or something. Get up in there so it won't rust out. And I freaking probably got to find a body shop to pull this little dent out. Well, other than that, man, that was only damage they did, they ain't break no windows. That's something I'm happy about. So, updates coming soon.